the Supreme Court has pulled up the Joint Director Ashok Tiwari after he put forward his views on allegations against Ranjit Sinha. The top court has said you're not the agents of the CBI Director. Meenakshi joining us with more news. Meenakshi.
Well, yes, this is an interesting twist and turn that we are facing here in the Supreme Court. The top court, you'll recall, is hearing arguments, lengthy arguments since yesterday about whether or not its earlier order for recalling of its order where it ordered for Prashant Bhushan to disclose the name of the whistleblower, whether that order of the Supreme Court should be recalled or not. The top court is currently hearing arguments, and what we have witnessed is CBI officers come to the courtroom to witness these arguments because they are following these developments closely, and that is something which has really not sunk in well with the Supreme Court. Also, what was very interesting today was senior counsel K.K. Venugopal telling the Supreme Court as to how some of these officers were telling senior counsel K.K. Venugopal as to how to argue. All this cumulatively hasn't sunk in well with the top court, and court pulling up one officer in particular who is the CBI Joint Director Ashok Tiwari, and that is because that particular officer was putting forward his view on allegations against Ranjit Sinha. At that point in time, the Supreme Court intervened and told him if at all there is anything that Ranjit Sinha wishes to disclose or tell the court, he can do so directly. And in that context, this officer was pulled off by the Supreme Court, saying that he is nobody's mouthpiece to be advocating anybody's cause. Subsequently, the court has also asked all the CBI officers who are attending the hearing to go back and take care of their respective duties instead of being a part of the court proceedings and watching and following the court proceedings.